I am WhiteBlizzardBlitz, also known as Austin.
And I'm Brandon of the Cantaloupeeters, supervising this little dude.
Hi.
Since this is his first video, he doesn't really know what to do. So he's taking a walk. Yeah, fun. So, can this boy beat me at tic-tac-toe? What are you? Okay, you're an X.
Okay, I'm going down there.
What's your next move, foe?
I win.
Oh, he beat me. Impossible. Let's try again. So, Checkman of the Cantaloupeeters has failed. See if we can fail and win it this time. Stupid move.
Cheese? I don't know. Right there. Cut through. I win again.
What? Again? Can I win again? Oh.
What?
Oh, I win. You got pwned. I bet you'll fail. Wrong one.
My back is like aching today.
Whatever, just keep going. Wrong two. Wrong three. Wrong four. Wrong five. Wrong six. Wrong. Oh, there's only one more, and you failed. He thinks he can do it now. Let's see. He's laughing at you. On the inside. Maybe on the outside too.
Ouch.
I am so bored.
He's gonna try it again.
Yeah, he's almost there. He finally did it.
Where's the other microphone?
She must be an exorcist.
No.
She's an exorcist.
That's so easy.
Shut up, Austin. She's an exorcist.
You
do it.
Let's go there.
I wonder if you can fit your big head through. Oh look, he did it.
You're gonna get
He's stuck. He's stuck. He's stuck. And he says it's easy. Austin, you said it was easy. Aaliyah's skinnier than you. So there really is no point to this video. It's kind of like the Cantaloupeeter introduction, except, you know, different. For WhiteBlizzardBlitz.
This is an introduction.
Huh?
This is the introduction.
I know, I just said that, you fool. Let's do it again, Austin.
I'm a jerk. I'm a jerk.
What's going on, web, right?
Now, what's your opinion of his jerk?
Weird, uncool, fun, constipated, overweighted, top loser.
There you have it, Austin. You are constipated. What is WhiteBlizzardBlitz gonna be about?
So
WhiteBlizzardBlitz.
So it's just a Cantaloupeeters, bunch of random stuff.
So is there actually anything gonna be good about the WhiteBlizzardBlitz channel?
Yes, it mostly have entertaining stuff, comedy, and also sports
Like
and
what?
action.
Like what?
Like a video of a hero flipping me over.
I don't think so. Maybe. That'd be fun.
So he really can.
How are you gonna film sports with your computer?
No, I want actually to hold it. Then I'm gonna play some water ball. Then I'm gonna do a skimmer, which is like a
Why don't you put it on your stairs in your garage? Say, comment, rate, and subscribe.
Comment, rating, subscribe.
...